So welcome to how to use LearnZillion in Schoology. In this video, I'm going to walk through the tutorial that is posted under the help section on the LearnZillion website, and it is called How to Use LearnZillion in Schoology. So let's begin the lesson. So if you've already integrated LearnZillion in Schoology, you can access LearnZillion content inside Schoology, and that's the recommendation. You can also assign content to students without leaving Schoology, and students can access their LearnZillion assignments directly in Schoology. So how do you access the LearnZillion app in Schoology? Well, one way to access LearnZillion within Schoology is through the LearnZillion app. So you want to navigate to your course in Schoology and find the LearnZillion app. The app is going to take you to your home page, and the browsing experience is very similar to the one that you use when you're browsing directly on the LearnZillion site. Now, assigning LearnZillion content in Schoology can be a little bit tricky, but you can create assignments for students without leaving Schoology. And a benefit of having students take the assignment in Schoology is that it will enable gradebook passback functionality. And what that means is that the assignment grade will be automatically added to their Schoology gradebook. And if the nature of the assignment does not require a grade, then an automatic 100% score will be sent to the gradebook once the student fully completes the lesson or activity. So here are the steps to assign content through the LearnZillion app in Schoology, and it's pretty similar to assigning content outside Schoology. Within the LearnZillion app, you want to navigate to the lesson you want to assign, or whatever content you want to assign, because it could be a check or an assessment, and you want to click on Assign. Select the students for the assignment and click on Next. Then you want to click on LMS and Google Classroom tab. You want to copy the URL link because you're going to need it when you're creating the assignment in Schoology, and then click on Next. For your students to take the assignment within Schoology and to allow for gradebook passback, the assignment needs to be added as an external tool. So on your class page, click on Materials, then click on Add Materials, and then click on File, Add File Link External Tool. This is where you're going to need that link that you copied. Another window is going to appear, and you're going to click on External Tool. You want to add the title for the assignment, and a tip in order to avoid confusion is to use the same title as the LearnZillion assignment. So you probably want to copy that same exact title, such as the one that you see here. And then this is where you're going to paste that URL that you copied previously. You want to then check the box next to Enable Grading if you want the assignment to be graded. And then if you're grading, select the category of the assignment. Click on Submit when you're done. The assignment you created will be added to your materials page. And to check the status of the assignment, you want to click on the assignment link. For students to be able to access their assignment, the assignment status must be open. You can change the status per individual student or for all students at once. Note that assignments are closed by default. So students can see the assignment you created. They can click on the assignment link to be directed to their assignment, and the image below shows the student view. So this is what it would look like for a student. Once you have finished grading the assignment, change the assignment status to Return with Grade so students can see their grades and gradebook passback can go through.